Retinitis pigmentosa, RP, is found in every corner of the world, and so is the search for solutions. From Europe to Asia, from North America to the Middle East, researchers, doctors, and innovators are working tirelessly to improve life for patients and to move science closer to real treatments. Some of the most important breakthroughs focus on diagnostic tools. In many countries, early and accurate genetic testing is becoming more widely available. This gives patients answers sooner, helps families understand their condition, and opens the door to personalized treatment plans. Knowing the exact genetic cause of RP is often the first step toward joining clinical trials or future therapies. Innovation also extends to assistive technology. Around the world, engineers are creating wearable devices that combine cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence. These devices can describe the user's surroundings, guide them through a crowded street, or even read menus in dimly lit restaurants. For many patients, this technology transforms daily challenges into manageable tasks, restoring confidence and independence. At the same time, groundbreaking therapies are being tested. Clinical trials for gene therapy, stem cell research, and even retinal implants are underway in multiple regions. Each country contributes a piece of the puzzle, and together these efforts bring fresh hope to millions living with RP. What's equally inspiring is that innovation doesn't stop at science. Global patient networks, advocacy groups, and online communities are growing stronger, ensuring discoveries are shared quickly and access is widened for people everywhere. By highlighting these stories, patients can feel connected to progress no matter where they live. This channel will continue sharing global innovations, so you won't miss out on the breakthroughs shaping the future of RP.